You ever have that feelings, loving something, doing something ever in your life, and unapenda kufanya kitu kwa maisha yako hadi una feel this is what makes me happy, na hiyo kitu yenye haikuletea hata matunda mazuri, and you guys, unaona hiyo kitu haikuletea matunda mazuri, but unapenda tu kuifanya. Yeah, unapenda tu kuifanya, and even if you get like me, I'm trying to say I love doing YouTube, and I got views that can make me heart breaks. Yeah, I get views that make me feel like I can quit. Like 17 views in one video, but I still have that feeling that I love doing it. I don't care whether how many views I get. I don't care how many people will watch, but I just feel like filming more and more videos in my life. Sipendi kufanya kitu yote, napenda tu kufocus na YouTube. Hakuna kitu hunibamba kama hiyo. Yeah, hakuna kitu hunibamba kama hiyo. Even if maybe I got disappointed, hata sometimes huwa najipata nikiombea, si Mungu asaidie tu hii kitu isiwaisha, because ikiisha na ndio huwa na furaha yangu. Hapa ndo natoaga furaha yangu. When I upload videos, when I make videos, I just feel happy when making videos on YouTube, even if I got no views, but I just feel like I love it. You guys, hope mko fine, and how many YouTubers feel like me? Sijui ni YouTubers wangapi huwa wanafeel kama mimi. Yeah, sijui ni wangapi. Anyway, come on,